If you're encountering login challenges with your Bank of America account, then this guide is here to help. So without further ado, let's get started. So begin by ensuring that you've covered the basics, so you should verify that your username and password are accurate. Also, keep in mind that Bank of America is particular about capitalization, so you need to be vigilant for any tricky uppercase or lowercase letters. Now, if you're drawing a blank on your password or just can't seem to get through the login door, then just hit up the Forgot Password or Reset Password option on the Bank of America login page. Just go ahead and follow the steps laid out for you and you should be back in business with a fresh password. Also, if you're a fan of that additional layer of security with two-factor authentication in play, make sure that you're nailing that second part, whether it involves receiving a code via text message or activating your reliable authenticator app. Be sure to complete the process accurately. Now, this is for those who appreciate the mobile app experience. You should stay on top of things by ensuring that your app is running the latest version, as updates often come with fixes that can help solve login problems. And if you're still having trouble, then I think it's time for a digital cleanup. So go ahead and delete that stored credentials in your browser. Think of this method as a digital spring cleaning. So removing saved usernames and password can make a big difference, especially if there's any troublesome data causing issues. And that's it, some straightforward steps to fix those Bank of America login issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.